Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to run you through how I clean and lubricate my chain. Let's take a look. So what I'm going to start with is I'll get the bike up on the paddock stand. So I've just got free rein to move the back wheel, so therefore it moves the chain. I'll find the master link, which is there, so it gives me a starting point. And I'll just give it a quick hit with some degreaser. You'll probably hear there's plenty of background noise, there's plenty of things going on out there, so hopefully you can still hear me pretty well. Once you've done that, so then after I've hit it with the degreaser, I've got one of these. This is a chain cleaning brush. I've only had this for a few years. Prior to that, I used to use a toothbrush anyway, which worked just as well. So I'll just put that on the chain, turn the wheel, and we'll just run the chain through it and give it a scrub. Okay, so once I've done that, I'll just wipe off some of the excess, and you can see, although this chain is pretty clean, it's relatively new. It's only got a couple of thousand Ks on this chain. So again, I'll just run it through and take off all the excess and all the dirt. Master link, there we are. Okay, that looks pretty good. It's pretty clean. So now what I'll do is I'll hit it with some chain lube. I'll just use this Silcoline chain lube, but any proper bike chain lube would be fine. This just happens to be which one I use. Again, we'll just start with the muster link, and we'll work our way around. And what I'll also do so that's one coat all the way around. What I normally do as well is after I take it for a ride, after I lubricate the chain, when I come home, I'll always give it another hit with some lubricant, because the chain's hot. It's probably expanded all the O-rings and stuff as it's expanded because of the heat. And then I'll run through and give it another lube right through the chain. Just my first ride back. So there you have it, guys. That's how I clean and lubricate my chain. It was just a quick run through. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you guys have got any different tricks or tips that you can suggest, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.